Meal planning for beginners. Start smart.
Beginning your meal planning journey is exciting, but it's easy to fall into common traps. Knowing what mistakes to avoid can make your week smoother, healthier, and less stressful. Let's explore the most important things to watch out for when planning your meals for the first time.
Mistake 1. Overcomplicating your plan.
A frequent misstep is trying to create elaborate or brand new meals every night. This can quickly lead to frustration and wasted food. Stick with simple, familiar recipes at first. As you gain confidence, you can slowly add new dishes to your routine.
Mistake 2. Ignoring your schedule.
Planning meals without considering your week's commitments often backfires. Busy days need quick, easy options, while relaxed days can handle more involved cooking. Always check your calendar before making your meal plan to pick realistic recipes for each day.
Mistake 3. Skipping grocery inventory.
Forgetting to check what you already have can lead to duplicate purchases and food waste. Before shopping, take stock of your pantry, fridge, and freezer. Build your meal plan around what needs to be used up, then fill in the gaps with new ingredients.
Mistake 4. Leaving out snacks and leftovers.
Many beginners only plan main meals, forgetting snacks and leftovers. This can lead to unhealthy choices or extra work. Include snacks in your plan and consider how leftovers can be used for lunches or another dinner. This saves money, time, and reduces food waste.
Mistake 5. Forgetting flexibility.
Sticking too rigidly to a plan can be discouraging if things don't go as expected. Build flexibility into your meal plan, such as a backup frozen meal or dine-out night. This makes your planning more realistic and helps you stay on track, even when things change.
Takeaway: meal planning gets easier.
Avoiding these common mistakes will help you feel more confident and successful with meal planning. Start simple, pay attention to your schedule, and allow for flexibility. Over time, planning your weekly meals will become easier, save money, and support your health goals.